Did you know that looking at a really small bug can make you feel happy?
Wait, a bug? Like a spider? No way.
No, not a spider. Like a cute little ladybug.
Uh, okay. I mean, why? That is weird.
Because it's a small moment. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. But wait, Luna, a bug? Really?
Yes, today we are talking about hope, but very small hope.
Hope? Like wishing for $1 million?
No, that is big hope. Big hope is, well, it is really hard to find right now.
Yeah, true. The news is always bad. I feel tired.
Exactly. Life is, very heavy. It is too much. Yeah, I wake up and I am just like, ugh, again? Right. So if we look for big hope, we feel sad because we do not find it. Exactly. So we need small hope. Small hope. I do not get it. Okay, think about a pizza.
Oh, I love pizza.
I know you do, Lucas. If you are very hungry,
Can you eat the whole pizza in one big bite?
No, that is crazy. I would choke.
Right. You need small bites, one slice at a time.
Oh, wait, so hope is a slice of pizza?
Yes, small moments of hope are like small slices of pizza for your brain.
That is a weird idea, Luna. But I like pizza, so okay.
Let me give you another example.
Okay, good, because the pizza made me hungry.
Think about your phone, Lucas.
My phone? It is always dying.
Exactly. It is at like 1% battery.
Oh, that gives me so much stress.
Right. Your phone is dying. You need a charger.
Yeah.
You do not need a full battery right away. You just need 5 minutes of charging.
Just to send a text. Yeah.
Yes, that 5 minutes of charging, that is small hope.
Oh, wow. Wow, I actually get that.
See? It gives you just enough energy to keep going.
So, what is a real charger for us, like in life?
Good question. What did you do this morning?
I drank coffee.
Was it good coffee?
It was amazing. Really hot and sweet.
Did it make you smile? Just a little bit?
Actually, yes. I was like, this is nice.
Boom! That is small hope.
Wait, my coffee is hope? That is it?
Yes, it is a tiny good thing in a big hard day.
Huh. I thought hope was like peace in the world.
We want that, but we cannot control the world, Lucas.
Yeah, I tried. It did not work.
We can only control our small moments.
So drinking coffee, seeing a funny dog.
Yes, seeing a dog play, or a nice song on the radio.
Or finding like $1 in your old jacket.
Oh, that is the best feeling,
It really is. Wait, so this actually makes me feel better.
right? Because small things are everywhere.
We just have to look for them.
Exactly, Lucas. You have to open your eyes.
But wait, Luna, I am very, very busy.
Everyone is busy.
Like, I work, I sleep, I eat. I do not have time to look for dogs.
You do not need extra time.
I don't?
No, it is like a game.
A game. Oh, I like games.
Yes, so think of your brain like a camera.
Okay, click, click.
Exactly. When you see a good thing, you take a mental picture.
Oh, a mental picture. So, I do not use my phone?
No phone, just your brain.
Okay, I see a nice bird. Click.
Yes, and how do you feel?
I feel happy for like 1 second.
Right, but 1 second of happy is good.
True, it is better than 0 seconds.
Much better. And then, wait, I have a really good example.
Okay, tell me.
Think about a jar, like a glass jar.
Like for jam?
Yes, a jam jar.
Oh, I love strawberry jam.
Me too. But this jar is empty.
Oh, that is sad.
Yes. Now, every small good thing is a penny, a small coin.
Oh, like finding $1 in my jacket?
Yes, you put the penny in the jar.
Clink.
The dog playing? Clink.
The hot coffee? Clink.
Exactly. At the end of the day, the jar is full.
Wow, that is really smart, Luna.
It is easy, right?
Yes, but
What if sometimes my day is really bad?
I know. Bad days happen to everyone.
Like, I spill my coffee. No clink for me.
No clink for spilled coffee.
So what do I do then?
You look harder, like maybe someone gives you a tissue.
Oh, the tissue is a penny.
Yes, you see? Hope is not magic.
It is not
No, hope is practice.
practice. I have to train my brain?
Exactly. It is like going to the gym, but for happy moments.
I hate the gym.
But this is a fun gym.
True. Looking at funny dogs is very fun.
So, here is your homework, Lucas.
Uh-oh, homework. I am bad at homework.
It is easy, and homework for the listeners, too.
Okay, tell us.
Today, find 3 pennies, 3 small good things.
Just 3? I can do that.
Yes. What are your 3 things, guys? Tell us below.
Yeah, leave a comment. Tell us your small moments.
And do not forget to subscribe to English Pod Center.
See you next time. Keep finding those pennies.